In the world of dogs, new breeds are constantly emerging, each with their own unique traits and characteristics. One such breed is the Borz Hund, a relatively new breed developed in Canada. These dogs are quickly gaining recognition for their intelligence, loyalty, and remarkable protective instincts. The name Borz Hund itself hints at their heritage, often associated with guardian dogs from mountainous regions. They are a working breed at heart, but don't let their imposing presence fool you. Beneath their strong exterior lies a loving and devoted companion. The Borz Hund is not for everyone. This is a breed that thrives on purpose and requires an owner who understands their needs. They are highly trainable and eager to please. This makes them an excellent choice for experienced dog owners who can provide the necessary structure and guidance. Early socialization is crucial for the Borz Hund. Owning a Borz Hund is a commitment, but for those willing to put in the time and effort, the rewards are immeasurable. The Borz Hund is a large and powerful breed, with males typically standing between 26 to 30 inches tall and females slightly smaller. Their weight ranges from 90 to 130 pounds. One of the most striking features of the Borz Hund is their dense, double coat, which comes in a variety of colors. This thick coat provides insulation from harsh weather conditions, making them well suited to colder climates. Their eyes, often described as intelligent and alert, are typically brown or amber in color. The Borz Hund's ears are medium-sized and triangular, carried erect or semi-erect. Beneath their rugged exterior lies a body built for strength and agility. The Borz Hund possesses a unique blend of loyalty, protectiveness, and intelligence that makes them an exceptional companion for the right owner. Their loyalty to their family is unwavering, and they form strong bonds with those they trust. This deep sense of loyalty translates into a natural protectiveness over their loved ones and their territory. They are inherently wary of strangers and will not hesitate to bark or stand their ground if they sense a threat. Despite their protective nature, Borz Hunds are not inherently aggressive. They are intelligent dogs, capable of discerning between genuine threats and harmless situations. Proper training ensures that their protective nature is channeled appropriately, allowing them to be well-adjusted members of society. Borz Hunds are known for their intelligence and eagerness to please, which makes them highly trainable. They excel in obedience, agility, and other canine sports that challenge both their mind and body. While they are not known for being overly affectionate, Borz Hunds are devoted companions who thrive on human interaction. Early training and socialization are not merely suggestions for Borz Hund owners, they are absolute necessities. These dogs possess a potent combination of size, strength, and protective instincts. Without proper guidance, these traits can manifest in undesirable behaviors. Early socialization involves exposing your Borz Hund to a wide range of people, dogs, and environments from a young age. Training should begin as early as possible, ideally when the Borz Hund is still a puppy. Positive reinforcement methods, such as rewarding desired behaviors with treats, praise, and play, are highly effective with this breed. Consistency is key. Training sessions should be short, frequent, and always positive. Obedience training is essential for any dog, but it is especially critical for a breed as powerful as the Borz Hund. Teaching basic commands such as sit, stay, come, and down gives you control over your dog's behavior, ensuring their safety and the safety of those around them. Beyond basic obedience, Borz Hunds thrive on mental challenges. The Borz Hund's protective instincts are deeply ingrained in their nature. Bred for generations for their guardian abilities, these dogs possess an innate sense of responsibility for their home and family. They are naturally wary of strangers and will readily bark to alert their owners of anything they perceive as unusual or threatening. This unwavering vigilance makes them exceptional watchdogs, deterring potential intruders with their imposing presence and booming bark. While their protective nature is a valuable asset, it is crucial to understand that a Borz Hund's protection extends beyond simply barking at strangers. They are highly territorial dogs and will fiercely defend their home and family if they sense a direct threat. This protective drive, while admirable, requires careful management to prevent unwanted aggression. It is essential to teach your Borz Hund the difference between appropriate guarding behavior and unnecessary aggression. This involves socializing them from a young age, exposing them to a variety of people and situations, and teaching them to trust your judgment in determining real threats. By understanding their natural instincts and providing them with the guidance they need, you can ensure that their protective nature remains a positive attribute. Like all dog breeds, the Borz Hund is susceptible to certain health conditions. While generally considered a healthy breed, responsible owners must be aware of these potential issues to ensure their furry companion lives a long and healthy life. Regular veterinary checkups are crucial for early detection and treatment of any health concerns. One of the most common health issues seen in larger breeds like the Borz Hund is hip and elbow dysplasia. These conditions affect the joints, causing pain, lameness, and reduced mobility. Responsible breeders screen their dogs for these conditions to minimize the risk of passing them on to puppies. Maintaining a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise is essential for preventing or mitigating joint problems. Another health concern for Borz Hunds is bloat, a life-threatening condition that affects deep-chested breeds. Feeding your Borz Hund multiple smaller meals throughout the day, rather than one large meal, can help reduce the risk of bloat. Providing your Borz Hund with a high-quality diet, plenty of exercise, and regular veterinary care will contribute to a long and healthy life for your beloved companion. The Borz Hund is an extraordinary breed, but they are not the right fit for every household. Before welcoming a Borz Hund into your home, it is crucial to carefully consider their unique needs and temperament to determine if they align with your lifestyle and capabilities. Their size alone can be a deciding factor. Borz Hunds require ample space to move around comfortably, making them better suited to homes with yards or access to open areas. Their intelligence and eagerness to please make them highly trainable, but they also require a significant time commitment for training and socialization. Potential owners must be prepared to invest considerable time and effort in their Borz Hunds training, ensuring they develop into well-mannered and well-adjusted companions. If you are an experienced dog owner with ample time, space, and dedication to provide the training, socialization, and attention a Borz Hund requires, then this loyal and protective breed might be the perfect match for you. However, it is essential to honestly assess your capabilities and lifestyle to ensure you can meet their needs and provide them with the loving and fulfilling life they deserve. The Borz Hund embodies the very essence of loyalty and protection. Bred for generations for their unwavering devotion and guardian instincts, these dogs possess a unique ability to bond with their human families, becoming both loving companions and steadfast protectors. Owning a Borz Hund is not simply owning a pet. It is embracing a legacy of loyalty and companionship that has been passed down through centuries. These dogs thrive on purpose and require owners who understand and appreciate their protective nature. Early socialization, consistent training, and a loving but firm hand are essential for channeling their instincts appropriately, ensuring they develop into well-adjusted and cherished members of the family. The rewards of sharing your life with a Borz Hund are immeasurable. Their unwavering loyalty, their intelligence, their protective nature, all combine to create a bond that is both profound and unbreakable. If you're seeking a loyal companion, a steadfast protector, and a friend who will stand by your side through thick and thin, then look no further than the Borz Hund.